guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a very fun video as I'm going to try out the DIY teeth whitening method shared by Linda Chung. I'm sure you know who is Linda Chung. If you do not, she's actually a very pretty and famous celebrity from Hong Kong. So I'm going to try out that method today. I've always been trying different type of toothpaste with whitening effect, but it's always not up to my expectation. That's why I'm so excited today to try out this DIY method to see if it really works. Are you guys ready for the challenge? If you're new to my channel, hi, I'm Esther. Do follow me on social media and click the subscribe button down below. Shall we have fun? Let us first prepare the stuff that I need before I start brushing. First thing is the toothbrush. This is the toothbrush that I've been using. Toothpaste. Activated charcoal. This can heal diarrhea, so it's safe in that sense, but I actually just need one capsule. And baking soda, guys. So let's put all the stuff on toothbrush and let's start brushing. Okay, first let me prepare a piece of tissue because it's going to be a little messy. Get the toothbrush ready. Wet the toothbrush. Toothpaste. It's also whitening toothpaste. Put the toothpaste on the toothbrush. Okay. Easy. Charcoal. Open the capsule. There you go. Charcoal. Oh, messy charcoal. Done. Baking soda. Okay. Ready to brush my teeth? Okay, I'm ready to brush my teeth. Ready, guys?
This is the way we brush our teeth, brush our teeth, brush our teeth. This is the way we brush our teeth early in the morning. This is the way we brush our teeth, brush our teeth, brush our teeth. This is the way we brush our teeth early in the morning.
Brush one more time.
This is the way we brush our teeth, brush our teeth, brush our teeth. This is the way we brush our teeth early in the morning. This is the way we brush our teeth, brush our teeth, brush our teeth. This is the way we brush our teeth early in the morning.
I have just done brushing my teeth, guys. Really like the effect. Are you guys ready to see the before and after effect? Is there any difference? Maybe I will show a photo, a before and after photo side by side so that you guys can see and compare if really there's any difference. Are you guys ready? Maybe I will first show you guys the ugly side of me, the before photo. Ready?
Oh no!
That was the ugly side of me. Are you guys ready to see the after effect? Is there any difference? Ready, guys? To be honest, guys, definitely it is whiter. Definitely whiter. But it is not like you have just spent thousands of dollars and you have just done the teeth whitening. It is not like total whiter, but it's not total white. but I still like the effect because apart from teeth whitening, it is super clean. It is like you have just done scaling. All the plaque, even hardened plaque, can also be removed from our teeth. So the feeling is the same. It's like you have just done scaling. That's why I like this effect apart from the whitening effect. Although it is not total white but slightly whiter, yes. Just my personal opinion, charcoal is a little bit abrasive, so doing it on a daily basis, no. Even 3-4 days in a row, I feel is also a little bit too much. So my plan is probably doing it on like a monthly basis. Maybe every 2-3 weeks once. I feel that is good enough for me. That's my plan. But if you are someone who always go by the book, follow the rules, maybe this method is not for you, because if you were to ask the dentist, definitely this is a no method because it is not scientifically proven. But I'm okay for this method. And do remember to give this video a thumbs up if you like this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys soon in my next one. Bye guys!